Connect homogenizer to air supply. Connect homogenizer rear water inlet to water supply. Connect homogenizer to power supply. Disable the emergency stop push button, then press the start button. Switch on the first stage selector, then open the first stage air knob. First stage pressure level increases. Pneumatic pressure works with a duplicating piston oil system to increase homogenizing pressure. Increase pneumatic pressure until target homogenizing pressure is reached. Close the first stage air knob, then switch off the first stage selector. Press the stop button and enable the emergency stop push button.